Hi, my name is Iman, and in this video I'm going to be talking about lost stock. For those of you who don't know what lost stock is, let me give you a brief rundown. Back in 2020, in March to be precise, when the pandemic first hit, many big name brand companies cancelled their garment orders from factories in Bangladesh. So what this meant was that these factories in Bangladesh had fulfilled all these garment orders, they had all these clothes ready, made and done, but these big companies were refusing to pay for them, which left them with an abundance of stock and no money. So what lost stock did was that they bought this stock that was unwanted by these big companies and sold them on themselves. They sold them in these like mystery boxes as such to consumers like myself, and that's how they managed to pay the factory workers, and we got clothes out of them too. So in this video I'm just going to go through the items that I got, starting with this one that I'm already wearing. So yeah, let's go.
So this is the first one, the navy t-shirt that I paired with a chunky pair of trainers. I definitely think I could add this to like my gym wardrobe because it's so casual. I love the color, and then also the fabric's actually textured, which was quite nice, as opposed to just being plain. And then this one I probably wouldn't even buy myself, but I actually find myself really liking it. I could totally see myself wearing this out to dinner with my friends when we're allowed to be going for dinner with my friends. So I paired it with a pair of heels. Would definitely dress this one up. And lastly, this one here, another that I don't think I would buy myself. I paired it with a pair of chunky boots. But I really liked this one. I liked the balloon sleeves. It's not very me, but I actually really enjoyed the balloon sleeves and could totally see myself wearing this out. Also, as you can see, I tried to pair them all with the same pair of black clots to show you like how easily they could just slot into your wardrobe. So yeah, that is them.
So I hope you enjoyed that little catwalk. It was actually quite fun to film. I'm surprised. So one thing I forgot to mention about the lost stock boxes is that when you bought them, there were options about like styles and things, and I was really boring and I picked like neutrals, no patterns, because I really just wanted to make sure that I was getting pieces that I would be able to incorporate into my wardrobe, and my wardrobe is kind of boring, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, that was a safe option for me. But one of the things that kept coming up was a lot of people were a wee bit iffy about the price. So the price was about £35, that was excluding shipping, and you were going to get £35 worth of clothes. And so I got 3 items in mine, and most people probably got about 3 as well, and still some people were a little bit upset about it. So I think one thing we kind of have to remember is that the cost of making these things, if you wouldn't charge less than X amount, you can't expect other people to like not sell their stuff for X amount either. And I think we forget that a lot of companies, not to name any, use some exploitative labor and things like that and don't really pay the right prices for their garments. So it's just something to be mindful of when thinking about the cost of garments like these. There was also an incident as well with another brand, which I'm not going to name, that put most of their stock down to like, it was a 99% off sale or something, which really makes you question if they can sell things for pennies, how much are they paying the people that make them? Like, how can they possibly justify, or like, how can they actually sell something for that little amount? Coughing fit. Not because I have COVID, just because I have a really shy throat. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was really fun to make, and let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you want to see more of this kind of stuff and whatnot, you tell me.